Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Myself, Abdul Rahman. I'm a student of Al Azhar University. Today I speak about our English therapy. I'm a student of English therapy. I was thinking, how can I learning English? So I watching video in internet. I'm come English therapy and I joined it for English therapy. Alhamdulillah, English therapy is best place for learning English in our country. English is an international language. This is an important language for all everybody. I feel that because this is international language. I need learning English because this time I am running a student of Al Azhar University of Faculty of Islamic Theology. I want to go after finishing my honors fourth year in Al Azhar University. Then I'm go to Oxford University. So I need IELTS exam. Then I am joined it English therapy. English therapy is best place for learning English for in our country in the Bangladesh. Alhamdulillah, I hope I will be a good Islamic lecturer and English speaker in the future. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.